finished. 100% done that I intended on doing to it. We got our new tires on with the factory OEM rims that have been powder coated black. New rubber, big rubber. Let's see here, we got new headlight housings on both sides. We got a new skid plate, aluminum skid plate right here. Goes all the way underneath the engine. Yamaha, genuine Yamaha Racing part. And the thing I'm really excited about is the dash. So we got our speed, engine RPMs here, and obviously our speed, and then air temperature, water temperature, and then a readout of the actual RPM right now. And then we got a reverse light, neutral light, and then high temp cooling. Yeah, this thing is wicked. What a weapon. We got our tail light working. See if I can get a video of the brake light working too. Okay, the brake light on the foot pedal, brake light on the hand pedal or lever. We got a torque arrestor there, so it's a little bit quieter, but won't set the force on fire. We sorted it reverse. Switch, it was broken, so I got a metal plate that actually holds it all together so it's nice and solid. Relocated these lights. I might get a new hood, maybe. Just lots of bips and bops. A lot of screw holes were stripped out, had to be drilled in helicoil. Some stuff on the engine as well. So let's see here, we did the bottom end of so we did the top end of the engine. So we did a piston, a jug, valves, valve springs, valve seals, timing chain, oil pump, rebuilt the water pump, put all new oil in it, obviously, all new bushings and bearings and all the A-arms and swing arm and axle bearings. We sorted the plastics so they don't flap around anymore. We got screws. There's my temperature sensor for the water that is part of the dash. So I hooked this up. It's kind of nice. We went through the carbs. We cleaned all the carbs. We have a rear brake now. Brake works. We had to get a new caliper, new disc, overhaul and rebuild the master cylinder. What else did we do? We repainted. Repainted the frame. Jeff and I did the pegs. New petcock for the fuel tank. The other one was trashed. Let's see here. We just basically repainted the entire machine. Plastics I just kind of torched just to get rid of some of the stretch marks. Yeah, all new wheels. Obviously, you got the brake pads on there, new brakes. I'm excited. This thing is awesome. Oh, we got a new battery. We sorted out the battery box. So we cleaned the air filter and put a pre-filter on it. I got an OEM Wiseco battery. I've relocated some electronics back here and mounted them hard into the box. Just little things, lots and lots of little things just to sort it all out. Although I do think I need a light bulb because that's on my high beams. Yeah, no big deal. Let's see here, we bled the front brakes. I had to overhaul the left front caliper. A portion of the caliper was smashed in, which prevented the caliper from sliding easily. So we got that pin out, re-greased it all. Relocated and fixed the front brakes so we don't have any fluid leakage anymore. Yeah, just a total package. It's just, look at that, idle's so nice. there. Oh yeah, so the other thing today that I did is I just repainted the hubs black to match the rim. Did okay, just for a quick paint job. I mean, the rims are powder coated. I should have sent the hubs out with the rims, but oh well. That's about it. I'm pretty excited for this thing. It's been a long 2.5 months, full restoration basically. Thing runs like a top. RPMs are a little on the low side. We'll just dial them up. There you go. Yep, that's about it. All right.